Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Charles Fitness. Today we're going over the front kick or the push kick. There are a lot of similarities between this and the teep. The big difference is the range and how you chamber the kick. Typically with the teep, you're lifting up and extending straight through, and you're going for a pushing motion. With the front kick, it's more like an uppercut. You're just spearing in this direction. I'm going to make sure when I do my front kick, I'm going to do the backside first. I'm going to turn my body. I'm going to step slightly off the center line in case there's any shots coming towards my head. I'm going to lift my knee up to my chest. This part is very similar so far. But it says straightening my leg. I'm going to snap it like this. Think about a leg extension machine. Like so. So that's the right side. With the left side, you want to get your right head or your side of your head over the right side of your body. You lift up. And instead of pushing through, I'm going to snap up. Just like so. With the front kick, you can be a lot closer. So I actually prefer throwing it from a much tighter range versus the teep, where you can lift your leg almost up to your chest to snap it out. While with the teep, you need a little bit of space to get that full extension. So with the front kick, I lift up, snap, snap, snap. Make sure you're not landing with your toes. You want to land the balls of your foot, and you're going to end up at a trajectory instead of straight through. Okay? Just like so. When you throw the front kick too, you're not looking for a really big push on the bag. You just want to be fast with it. You want to just dig in, get right back to your base. Dig in, back to your base. Dig in, get back to your base. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.